Well, I was 15 when I first started losing my hair. By 17 it was almost completely gone. I decided to finally have the procedure because the hair loss was happening so fast. The people here, the process was so much faster than the other one. I don't have to worry about looking a certain way before I don't have to worry about constantly having to hide it. Or I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others because comparatively speaking, he definitely knows what he's doing. Well, it has been very reassuring. It's been very nice. I feel so much better on myself now if it wasn't for you. So thank you.